And you mentioned the story that you told about the 66 hours of budget hearings.
In short, we literally we don't have our offices up and running fully, but we had an office, we had a projector, so we were live streaming the event. So we had some of our documenters and editors in a room, and they got there 7:30 in the morning so they could be ready, because those budget hearings start early and go all day, past 5 o'clock. So we had people in a room watching, and we had reporters down at City Hall there as well. And the goal was to just start documenting major points, major speakers. They broke that up and put it out right on our website, as well as cut some video. And one of the things that came up during a hearing on the Economic Development Department was the director, Tess Jackson, made a really bold statement saying that TIFs, that's tax increment financing, that's just a mechanism for developers to take taxes that they would have paid and use it to pay off their bonds or their financing. And she said over 15 years of looking at these kind of projects, it didn't, I don't know the exact words, move the needle for the people of Cleveland. Like literally didn't change their world. So maybe we need to rethink that. And that simple statement or concept is pretty significant. That's like, developers have come to rely on it. Some city planners have relied on it. We highlighted that both on our website in real time and in our newsletter. And then after that, we saw other publications write about it, and it's become a discussion point. And that's the value of paying attention to every word. And the 66 hours is legit, because we took those 5 days, or the 2 weeks worth of 5 days a week. And we had people there. They worked really hard and took a few days off after that.